Welcome to my class. In this particular video session, we will talk about Internet of Things. This is part 1. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is simply a network of interconnected objects able to collect and exchange data. It is commonly abbreviated as IoT. The term Internet of Things applies to any non-standard computing device that connects to Wi-Fi and can transmit data. So any non-standard computing device, if it is connected to Wi-Fi and it can transmit data to another object, then this falls in the category of Internet of Things. To put it in simple words, you have things that sense and collect data and send it to the internet. This data can be accessible by other things too. Internet of Things. Electronic door lock, spy camera, washing machine, camera, car, vending machine, refrigerator, cooking range, OTG, air conditioner, microwave oven, printer, thermostat, smartwatch, fire alarm system, cloud, and smart homes. There can be a number of other devices also. If these devices are in a position to communicate with each other, then they fall in the category of Internet of Things. The interconnection via the Internet of computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. Now, what are the benefits of Internet of Things? There are a number of benefits of Internet of Things. The first one is it is applicable on anything and any device. The second one is it can be used anywhere and it can be used by anybody. The third one is it can be applied to any service or any business. The fourth one, it can make use of any path, any network. The fifth one, it may be used at any place, anywhere. And the last one is Internet of Things can be used anytime and in any context. These are some of the advantages or benefits of Internet of Things. This is another example of Internet of Things, that this is applicable to a number of devices including smart homes. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices. Whether these devices are mechanical or digital machines, objects, animals or people, that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Examples of objects that can fall into the scope of IoT, it includes connected security systems, thermostats, cars, electronic appliances, lights in household and commercial environment, alarm clocks, vending machines, smart TVs, smart speakers, wearable and smart appliances, smart meters, commercial security systems, and more. All of these are examples of Internet of Things. Here you can see some of the images. This is office security system. This is fire alarm system, biometric attendance system, home security system, car alarms and GPS tracking systems. They all fall in the category of Internet of Things. Thermostats, speakers, vending machines, even our traffic lights and robots. They are part of Internet of Things. Here we have some more examples. We have air conditioners, we have smart trolleys, we have smart mirrors, and we have smart refrigerators. Now they all are part of Internet of Things. Importance of Internet of Things. The IoT provides a platform that creates opportunities for people to connect these devices and control them with big data technology, which in return will promote efficiency in performance, economic benefits, and minimize the need for human involvement. IoT is the most important development of the 21st century. Now, what are the characteristics of Internet of Things? Heterogeneity. Heterogeneity in IoT is one of the key characteristics. Devices in Internet of Things are based on different hardware platforms and networks and can interact with other devices or services platform through different networks. IoT architecture should support direct network connectivity between heterogeneous networks. Who invented this particular term IoT? Kevin Ashton is called the inventor of IoT since he first used the term in 1999 to describe a system where the internet is connected to the physical world via ubiquitous sensors. He coined the phrase Internet of Things to describe the network connecting objects in the physical world to the internet. The actual term Internet of Things was coined by Kevin Ashton in 1999 during his work at Procter & Gamble. Ashton, who was working in supply chain optimization, wanted to attract senior management's attention to a new exciting technology called RFID, radio frequency identification, RFID. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Internet of Things? The Internet of Things allows you to automate and control the tasks that are done on daily basis, avoiding human intervention. Machine-to-machine communication helps to maintain transparency in the process. It also leads to uniformity in the task. It can also maintain the quality of service. Here are some advantages of the Internet of Things. The first one is access information. You can easily access data and information that is sitting far from your location in real time. The second advantage is cost effective. Internet of Things is quite cost effective. The third advantage is automation. It will lead to automation. Information will flow from one object to another object without intervention of human being. The fourth one is dependability. We can depend on this particular technology. It is going to prove to be a boon for the industry and people. Fifth, useful in monitoring. One of the most apparent advantage of IoT is monitoring. 6. It provides an advantage of knowing things in advance. With the help of Internet of Things, we may be in a position to know certain things in advance. There are certain disadvantages of Internet of Things. There are three main concerns with this technology. The first one is breach of privacy. Second, over-reliance on technology, and the third, loss of jobs. These are the three main concerns, although there are certain other disadvantages as well. The first one, breach of privacy. The most dangerous part of IoT is that consumers are surrendering their privacy bit by bit without realizing it, because they are unaware of what data is being collected and how it is being used. As a result, the privacy of consumers can be compromised and they are left without any real remedy. Smart devices pull a lot of personal data from your phone, wearables, smart TVs, and refrigerators. Another issue is, since these devices are connected to manufacturer network using internet and cloud, this causes high risk of private data leak and other vulnerabilities. The privacy issue also leads to the question of who will control the Internet of Things. It is not clear. Over-reliance on technology. This is the second concern. Another argument against IoT is that we are having over-reliance on technology. The third disadvantage is in terms of loss of jobs. When we are going to automate certain things, then there is a possibility that many people will lose their existing jobs. Some other problems are cloud attacks. The data of Internet on Things is likely to be stored on clouds, and the clouds are vulnerable to attacks. This particular data on the cloud can be used by people who have more knowledge about Internet of Things, and they can misuse this particular data. Some other problems are understanding of IoT. At present, people have very low understanding of the term Internet of Things. They simply think about that few things are connected to Internet, that is Internet of Things, which is wrong. We need to have a broader understanding of things. It is the objects which are communicating with other objects without intervention of human being. And probably in that case, Internet may be there, Internet may not be there. So there is a big problem that people need to understand the actual meaning of Internet of Things. Thank you very much.